All right. So which pair you would like to backtest, like in a crypto market? Because in this webinar we are going to crypto backtesting like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, any other high volume crypto pair. Okay, Bitcoin, Ethereum, BTC, USDT. BTC is a high volume. Yes, sir. Bitcoin. Okay, let's start from Bitcoin because Bitcoin is the most popular, most tradable and high volume coin. So we can start from crypto market in a Bitcoin. Okay, then we can understand more better and easily that how crypto market actually work. So let's start now. First of all, open the chart Bitcoin, BTC, USDT. Why not Forex? Sorry, in a past webinar we have done so many times Forex, and crypto market is not, we have done only one time is done. So that's why, because a lot of people trade in a crypto market also. That's why. Okay, thank you. All right. So first of all, start from the higher time frame picture. First of all, look at this one. What happening right now? This is a crypto market. All right. So I want to ask one thing is here that everyone here a day trader or a swing trader or positional trader in a crypto market, because it's up to you that it's depend on a situation. Then we can use a time frame correlation. Day trading, okay, 1 hour, okay, day. Okay, so mostly are day trading, right? Perfect. All right. So first of all, as a day trader, we can use 1 hour as a higher time frame and 5 minute for entry, and also you can use 15 minute and 1 minute. But it's depend on a currency pair, because in a some coin, crypto coin, 15 minute can be very little bit lower time frame and very low volume. That's why it's not applicable for everyone, because we need high volume in a SMC market. If high volume available in a crypto market, then you can use any currency pair, right? But main thing I will suggest you use like time frame correlation as per the volume. Like if volume is a high, then you can use any lower time frame. But if volume is a medium or lower, then you should use little bit higher time frame to get more clarity. I have a question. Some brokers and chart trading view charts are different. Which charts should we use? Sir, it's depend that if you are using any forex a broker like, and match your broker price with a trading view a broker spread like Oanda, FXCM, forex.com. There are so many brokers, and then you will see a data match them. If fit as per your broker, then you can use them. Like if your broker data matching with Oanda, then you can use them. Otherwise, you can shift in a FXCM, forex.com. There are so many brokers, as you know, right? I think for crypto, for Binance. Yes, sir. Let's start now. So let's start from daily time. Sorry, 1 hour time frame, because most of the traders are day trader, and you can use any time frame. This is a not only based on 1 hour and 50 minutes. You can use any time frame because same principle applicable everywhere, right? So I'm just showing you based on a 15 minute, 1 hour time frame and 5 minute correlation, because so many times we have done a 15 minute and 1 minute correlation, and now this time we are going to analysis backtesting based on 1 hour and 5 minute analysis, right? All right, let's start with you guys. So which part is applicable? Because the more previous data is not available when we do backtesting. Okay, so let's backtest this part here. First of all, here, this one. All right. So this is our current price action is here, right? And you don't know where is market going on. Everything looks bullish here, right? And let me enable annotation here. Okay. So this is our current price action is here. If I want to ask you here that what is our current situation here at this point and what are you looking here as per your current price action here, you can annotate here because it's important for you. Everything is a bullish, right? And market momentum is a bullish. And what are you looking here and when we can sell and when we can buy, right? Okay. At the current price action, how many members are ready to buy and how many members are ready to sell? Please, you can enter it B and S on a screen. Okay, buy. Short. Okay, if you are planning to short, then why are you thinking you should sell here? Why? Right now, there is a no confirmation. Then why are you looking for sell here? Everything is a bullish. There is a no still confirmation for the sell, right? Structure is a bullish. Everything looking bullish. Then why are you looking here for sell? I want to ask you here. Yes, right. Only why till broken the low, lower time frame to short ATM. Yes, sir. For the lower time frame, you can definitely sell. Okay, let's delete this one first of all. Okay, first of all, you have to mark the structure. You can see this is our previous higher high is here. Let me mark this. Higher high and higher low. And this is our higher high. Why? Because market taken out the inducement at this point. When market taken out the inducement, then our higher high is a confirm here, right? And this point become our higher high. Let me name this one. Okay. And this is our a break of structure happen here because market break the previous high and candle close our weight. But in a first attempt, just with the liquidity. So this is not a confirmation. Confirmation happen when market close our weight. So generally, when market taken out the inducement and close of it, so this is a valid break of structure right now. Okay. And at the current price action, what are you looking here? We are, I'm sorry, this one. Okay. And again, this is our next inducement. If market taken out this inducement, definitely we are looking here for buy. Right now, after taking out this one, where is our unmitigated PY? Right? So there is so many unmitigated PY like here, you can see, but this is a mitigated by this move. Okay, only this one is only unmitigated here. Okay, so you have to wait for it to take out this one, and then we are looking here for buy. And next possible scenario, if market create another pullback, and then you can buy here like this. Okay, and next possible scenario here, if market tap here and failed, right? Below it, there is no unmitigated PY, everything is mitigated here. So in this case, you can After taking out this one, mitigate something here and create any possible entry here, you can sell as we have done in a, I also mentioned in a trading plan also, right? So let's see what happening here and what we can expect here. Okay, market create new high, our inducement will be also transfer at this point. Now we have a multiple py here. First py is here, just below it. Exactly, this is our unmitigated py here, and just below it, anyone here, this one. So basically we have a two py. First one is decisional and next one is a extreme py, right? If a decisional py type here, then you have to wait for taking out the inducement and tap on your decisional py and create a single candle order block for additional confirmation, then we can buy here, right? And also you can use a lower time frame confirmation like 5-minute confirmation, then you can use here for the buy. Okay, but if decisional py fail, then we can sell till extreme py mitigation, right? We have a two py, right? First py type here and create any single candle confirmation, then we can buy. Otherwise failed here, you can sell till this one. If market directly give reaction and tap this one, okay, and then you have to buy here. But if this py failed means market break this low, break this one. If sweep this one also, you can also buy here. This is a low probability buy, or you can say 50-50% of probability for the buy. And you have to think in a both side of probability. When market sweep the any decisional and extreme py, still this is a valid for the buy. You can take risk here for the buy, but always you have to think in a both side of probability. Okay, so let's see what happened next after this one. And main structure will be changed here when market broke this main low, correct? So let's see what happened next after this one. Okay, first a decisional py, a failure, tap on extreme py at this point, right? And at this point, if you are looking here for buy directly, some people are do not want to bait in a lower time frame, like they can buy here. But remember this thing: if you are buying directly, you have a two possibles now. First one, if you are buying here directly, then you can get an instant entry. Okay, but problem is here, market can be failed, right? So that's why you need additional confirmation for the buy always, like single candle order block confirmation. Single candle order block will gives you more like a additional confluence for the buy and sell, right? So let's see what happened next here. Okay, this extreme py is a sweep here, right? So basically this is an indication that market can be failed this one, because extreme py is a failure, right? And you have to prepare in a both side of probability. You can buy here on a two basis. First one, market create a single candle order block, then you can buy here. Otherwise you can also buy here if market create any 5-minute chalk here, right? So let's see what happened next here. Okay, this candle close of it means we can buy here based on single candle order block right now, right? And third candle mitigate this one and you can buy here. Put the stop loss just below it, because this one taking out the liquidity and target at least this one. But if you want to switch here in a 5-minute time frame, then we can see where is our APY and where are you looking here for buy, everyone. Right now at this current price action, when you are looking for the buy. Okay, okay, perfect. Perfect, perfect. Look at this one. Let me explain this part. This one is a chalk. Chalk happen here. Push downside. Are you ready? Inducement. So right now you have to wait for it to taken out the inducement. So market taken out the inducement, then we can buy here. Next possible scenario here, if market get any inducement here, then we can buy here. And next one, if market create, for example, here, then we can buy here. And next one on extreme, this one. So basically we have a multiple PY. When we have a multiple PI, then you can use single candle indication, single candle auto block for the buy, right? So let's see and what happening here. We can okay, all right. Now where are you looking here, everyone? Because uh structure looking for the chance still, and why? Perfect, perfect. Still confused. SUV, correct. Yes, sir. So understand this part. This is a not inducement here. Look at this candlestick behavior. This candle high, both are low protected. Protected. So this is a basically an internal structure. So we have a, only this inducement, right? So market must be taken out this one. Then we can buy after sweep this one after based on single candle order block. Then we can buy it. And next one on your extreme, this one. Perfect, right? So let's see what happening here. First of all, mark this one. This is our idiom, right? And we can buy below it. Let's see. Okay. And what is this? What is this, everyone? Okay. SMT drive. Exactly. Because we are, if you are looking here for buy, there is no investment taken out, there is no liquidity grab. That's why this is SMT. And a lot of people are interested here for buy based on order block, right? Every order block is not means that you should buy or sell. Okay, you have to buy and sell after taking out the liquidity grab, after taking out the inducement, correct? That's why this is a SMT. You have to buy after taking out the liquidity. Okay, so let's see what happening next here. Market keep reaction, and most of the time you will see when market create order block, when people are looking for the buy. Clear explain. Also, we need inducement. Don't need to. So this is everything is mentioned. You have to watch the previous videos course and also read ebook. Also watch the past 4 5 webinar. Okay, and you can also study a trading plan. Okay, then you can get more clarity everything. Okay, so let's see what happening here. This inducement taken out. Okay, so basically now we can buy. When we can buy here. Exactly, on extreme order block. And if market can here single candle order block, then we can buy here. Okay, so let's see. Okay, push upside, close over it. Still, where are you looking here for buy? Okay, Okay, perfect. Mhm. Okay, actually, look at this one. I want to clear something here. Right now, we can buy here based on SCOB. Okay, but problem is here, this inducement taken out, but close below it. So when market close below it, then you have to buy here after break the high, like any internal high, structure high, like this is a high, this is a broken, then we can buy. If sweep this one, then you have to buy here because we are in a inducement like decisional PY. If same thing happening here on extreme, then we can buy. Okay, that's why we can't use this one as a buy at the current price action because inducement taken out, price close below it. If close below it, then we need a chalk for confirmation. Okay, so let's see what happening here. All right, and if you can see, this is a order flow, right? But we need a proper setup for the buy here. This is a not a actual a pullback here. You can see this is a high. Yes, sir. Exactly. You mark very well. Perfect. This is a flip. Supply converted into demand. Why not this one? Sir, this one, we use a first a pullback. After break the structure, we use first pullback. That's why I use it. This is also valid. We use recent pullback. Okay. So let's see what happening here. Right now, where are you looking here for buy and sell? Please let me know how we can enter in this move. We can criteria. Sir, I'm explaining every point. Right now, there is a no entry point in this case. Okay. At the current price action, you can see price must be taken out of the inducement. Then we can buy. If market sweep the inducement, then you have to buy or sell after SCOB. There is a no confirmation still. Then you don't need to enter here directly immediately. Okay. You have to stick on your trading plan. Okay. So at the current price action, what happening here? This is the inducement here. And after taking out the inducement, definitely we can buy. Where is our PY in this case? Right. And you can buy here. Exactly. Correct. So we can buy here. If market taking out the inducement type here and create any single candle order block, then we can buy here. So this is a confirmation for the buy. Okay. But what happened if market failed this one? This our decisional PY here. Where is our next PY? And what you should do in this case? Okay. First of all, let's move in. Okay. So right now, where is our PY? Okay. So many confusion. Let me delete this one all day. Look at this one. Very simple thing. You need inducement. So where is inducement? Here. This one. And after taking out this inducement, you should buy. Here. Let me check this one. Check 1 hour candlestick. 1 hour is so this one is mitigated here. Everything, no problem here still. Okay. So at the current price action, and this is our internal structure. And what is the internal structure here? This is a higher high and higher low and create higher high. This one. Inducement here, because this is a valid pullback, because both candle high are equal. That's why we can mark this as an inducement and this is a PY type here, and you can buy here based on SUB, right? And this is a why we are going with a minor inducement. So I'm just marking inducement to confirm this higher high, right? To confirm any high, main high and main low, we can use minor major inducement. Both are valid, right? But before when we are looking for the buy and sell, then we can use main like a major move inducement. Like in this case, you can see this is our internal move, like single line move here. So we can below it, right? Here we can buy if market get here any single candle order block confirmation. Okay. So let's see what happening here. First of all, mark this PY price type here. Okay. But we need additional confirmation like single candle order block. Okay. Price still not create any single candle order block confirmation, then we can't buy here. Okay. Price must be confirm here. As we know, price give reaction and create here as COV. Okay. We should buy here or not, everyone. Okay. 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 Thank you. This one is our stop loss and at least target here, right? Okay. Thank you. And this is our decisional, extreme PY right here. If this PY is a failed on extreme, then we can also buy here, but this one is also failed, then your structure will be changed because this is internal structure and main low internal is here. It means structure looking for the sell because extreme PY is already a grab the liquidity, failed the extreme PY. That's why this is an indication here. We are not buying here because market taken out the minor inducement here. Minor means small pullback, this one, and this is a larger pullback here, right? That's why we are looking here for, we are not interested here for buy. But when market taken out the minor one, then we can mark as a higher high. Okay, thank you. So let's see what happening here. If price mitigate this one still, then we can buy here. Okay, mitigation. And this one is also valid when chalk inducement and then buy, right? But this is a not. We are buying still valid based on SCOB. Okay, let's see. And if you are interested here for buy, yes, exactly. We can also buy here. Okay, perfect. So this is our entry plan here. And this is our first PY and this is a decisional PY. Okay, when market break the first structure, then we can move a stop loss on break even point. Like in this case, you can see after taking out this one, this high is a broken here. Then you have to put the stop loss on break even point, right? Because this previous high structure is a change here. And when market break this one, then you can take a small partial or you can set your target here. Okay. All right. So let's see what happening here. Okay. Okay. So this trade almost close on a break-even point, right? Let's see what happening here. Now you have to wait for it to on your extreme, because still market, sorry, tap on your extreme PY here. Price tap here, create a single candle order block here. You can see here at this point. Yes, sir, exactly. How many people are interested here for buy? And this is a target. This is a valid or not? Perfect. As per the plan, this is a valid here. Right. Correct. Perfect. Now, where is your stop loss at the current price action? Okay. Right now, where is your stop loss? Just blow it on break even or on a break even point. You have two choices. First one on a break even, and next one is here. BE. Okay. Perfect. Two reasons are to put your stop loss on a break even. First one, price tap on extreme and broke the first structure high is here. So when market break the first high, then you should stop loss on a break even point. Second thing, market tap create here single candle or tap here, create structure like this, and same structure is the broken. When market structure broken, then you have to put the stop loss here, right? If market broken, then this one, because just below there is a no unmitigated PY is still here, right? If market still trying to break this one, it means structure looking for the reversal. That's why. It is better management if I choose the previous structure for SL or the current. Sir, you should use the current, like in case if this one, this lag happen here, same thing happening here, and broken this one, same lag, then you can put the stop loss just below it at least. Okay. So let's see what happening here. And this trade is also a close on a break even point right now. And yes, yes, sir. Now the extreme is a mitigation, is also a mitigate here, give reaction and failed. And main low is a broken here. This is an internal structure. Now we have to shift here in a 1 hour time frame again to check again. So in this case, generally, what I do in this case? In this case, generally, you have to wait for it to break this low or taken out the inducement. Where? What are you looking here at the current price action? Okay. Perfect. Sell. Okay. Sweep the investment. Remember one thing. This is an internal move between this high and low, right? This PY is a failure. Sweep this high, and you can sell here based on single candle order block. But there is a target, this one, because you are willing to sell or buy based on internal structure. Then your target also will be on would be on internal high or low, right? So this is will be our target at this point. Okay. So first of all, delete this one, because this is a like internal structure, and you have to play in a both side of probability. First one is here. Now again, you have to switch here in a 5-minute time frame. Wait for it to mitigation. In this case, you can see how many unmitigated order block and when you are looking for the buy and sell. Which point you are looking for sell. In this case, this is our internal structure, previous high sweep here. Take this one, IDM sweep, IDM sweep, and direct entry. So direct entry applicable when the structure sweep here. This one sweep here, then you can use lower time frame. Also, we need confirmation. Higher time frame sweep here, but we need lower time frame also, like this one. Taken out this one, then we can sell on the this PY and extreme one. So basically we have a two PY right here. Okay, so let's see what happening here. Inducement taken out, and after taking out the inducement, we can enter here. Which point we can enter? So inducement are taken out basically here. Sweep here. So when sweep, you can buy here, sorry, sell here. And this sell is still valid until broken this low. Right? Tap here and sell. If not tap here, directly broken this one. So this entry is not valid here. Okay, directly broken. And structure is a change here. Now you have to switch here in again in a higher time frame first to check again a PY. So check again in a 1 hour time frame. So this is a current scenario here. Okay. And you need strong confirmation for another PY, another sell. Okay, perfect. This one is a hidden PY actually. 1 hour and 5 minutes for BTC. Yes, sir. 1 hour as a higher time frame and 5 minutes for the entry, right? So at the current price action, as per the current price action, what are you looking here? Okay. In this case, I want to say one thing. In this case, if you are not sure at how you should trade, okay, you can leave. Just wait for strong confirmation for the buy and sell, right? If you are not sure about PY, then you have to leave them. Okay. You have to trade only quality areas for the buy and sell. You don't need to trade every day. You have to pick only high quality trades. Okay. If you leave them, if you are not interested here for the sell, if you are not uh, sure, because everything is a bullish. In that case, this can be a little bit risky for you for sell, right? So this is a basically internal move right here. Then you have to wait for a clear confirmation. Clear confirmation means market must be broken, at least this one. It means structure basically looking for the change. This is an internal move here. Okay. Or this is our main move happen. If taken out this one, then you can definitely take an entry sell after break the main low chop. Yes, sir. Okay. So let's see and wait for it. Okay, and break this low. It means now structure is looking for the sell here, definitely looking for sell here, because extreme PY is a failed layer. There is no unmitigated PY in this case. Everything is mitigated here. That's why we need to looking for the sell. Okay, we can sell here. Okay, and this one. I'm sorry. No, no, sir. This is not anti. You have to wait for it. Okay. So this is a broken here. Hidden POI. Which one? How I can sell here? So right now there is no opportunity here for sell. If you are willing to sell here, then you can sell. But it's all about probability because you have seen the next future that market is a better. That's why you are. Some people are saying that this is a sell or no. But look at this picture uh, with the current present trade. Like actually this is a hidden PY here and you can sell here, right? But you have to catch only high probability zone for the sell. Okay, so main low is a broken now chalk here and after chalk we can sell. Okay, so this is our chalk here and after chalk where is our uh, PY here? What is hidden? Hidden I already share in a recently YouTube video. You can watch them, then you can get answer. Hidden PI basically we use when everything is mitigated here. Right now in this case, you can see everything is mitigated here. Price came back upside. That's why we can use this one. Actually, this point we can use this one. When everything is mitigated there, then we can use. So this one is a mitigate here. This unmitigated shadow we can also use. Okay, if price came back this point, but if market giving reaction here, create push downside, and we can sell here at this point. No, sir, this one not. This is a not hidden because price close above it. If close not close up, just sweep the liquidity like this. The previous pullback sweep the liquidity. This one act like a hidden, like this one. The previous high sweep here, like this one. So we can sell here. Okay. Okay. So let's see what happening here. Price continue pushing downside. All right. What is a current POI when you are looking for sell? At the current price action, where is our inducement and when you are looking for sell? Everyone. Okay. Yes, sir. Perfect. Look at this one. Check very carefully here. This one is our decisional PY and decisional, inducement. And after taking out the inducement, probably we are looking for the sell. Where is our PY here? You have to sell here. If market create any single candle order block, we can sell here at this point, right? And next PY, where is our extreme PY? Which taken out the liquidity, which grab the liquidity? Where is our this one? Unmitigated shadow here. So basically, you have to wait for it to reaction. If market create here and gives any reaction, then you can also sell here. This one. So this one grab the main liquidity here. So this one taken out the only candlestick liquidity. Compared to the this one, this is a more important. Okay. Main thing to identify PY, to identify order block, you have to identify which order block, which point is collect more money. Those order block is a more powerful, right? Let's see. Okay. Right. So look at this one. Press create tab here, give reaction, but not create any single candle order block confirmation. That's why we are not interested here for sell. So where is our basically a next PY? This one. Okay. So let's see. Press tab here, give reaction, and create a single candle order block here. Looks very clearly here. Yes, sir. Perfect. So how many people are interested here for sell? Okay. Sell. Yes, sir. I mentioned this one, and this PY. Difference between both PY because both shadow are looks similar. Reason this one is a much high probability compared to this one, right? Because this move grab more liquidity like flag pattern and grab this liquidity and failed push downside. But in this case, this is also liquidity. But if there is no PY, there is nothing, then we can use it because this move just taken out the liquidity by candlestick, and this move taken out the liquidity, the structure. Okay, that's why this is a more important. Okay, thank you. So this is a single candle order block. And if you are willing to sell here directly, like some people are interested here for sell, then you have to put the stop loss just to avoid. No, you have to put the stop loss just above this high, right? And target below it. So this is our final target right here based on direct entry. Okay. And you can take a risk here, sell. Okay. Because price type on extreme PY give single candle order block, you can sell here. without any hesitation. But if you are still waiting for a sell after a chalk based on 5 minutes, then you can go for it in a lower time frame confirmation. So first of all, let's see, wait for it to mitigate this one. Okay, press or mitigate here on your single candle order block here, and now you have to switch here in a 5 minute time frame to check here if there is any chalk, anything happen here. Then you can switch in a 5 minute time frame, wait for chalk, and then you can take entry. Okay, so right now, where is our chalk? And when you are looking for sell, okay, okay, this one, yes, sir, no chalk, yes, sir, exactly. Right now, there is a no chalk happen here. Okay, so in this case, basically, press tap on your single candle order block here, and then you have to focus here at this current price action here. So you have to take a decision here. Okay, because price tap on your extreme PY, you are willing to sell here based on single candle order block, price tap here and wait for chalk. So where is our chalk in this case? Where is our pullback? This one? No, this is not a pullback, this one, correct? So market must be broke this one, taken out the inducement, then we can enter here at this point for the sell, right? Yes, sir. Okay, all right, so let's see. And also one more thing here, single candle order block confirmation here for sell. Yes, sir. Correct. This one. Absolutely. You can also sell here based on single candle order block refinement because this is extreme, but put the stop loss just above it and target a main low. Why? Because this is extreme. Only one PY, unmitigated PY between this 1 hour single candle order block. Okay. And you have to put the stop target just below it here. Exactly. This is a correct. If there is a chalk happen here, for example, here, chalk happen here, then you can take entry, taken out the inducement, mitigate something here and sell here also. Yes, sir. This is a correct. Okay. So let's see, wait for it to create a chalk. This one, chalk happen here. Where is our inducement and where is our next possible entry here? Are you looking here for sell? At the current price action, how many people are interested here for sell? Are you sure? Yes, yes. Okay. Okay. Because look at this one. Very interesting thing here. Exactly. Correct. When price tap on PY, market break the first pullback. Okay. If close below it, if not close it below it, doesn't matter. Right? Both broken this high is act like a chalk. because we are in a lower time frame. But same thing happen in a higher time frame, then we need candle closer. But in a lower time frame, you don't need to wait for candle closer. Just broke the higher low, which is enough as a chalk, and taken out the inducement. Where is inducement in this case? This one. After taking out the inducement, we can take entry here for sell. Where is our PY? This one. Unlimited PY here. Price tap on extreme, and then you can sell. Right? You can take entry here, and also, yes, sir, this one is also valid. I'm sorry. This one here. So if the inducement, you can also sell here. So basically, we have a two PY. When decisional PY, sweep the liquidity right here, you can sell here. Try to put the stop loss just above it. Okay. And also, I mentioned in a trading plan that if sweep this one, inducement sweep, you can sell here based on single candle order block. And second one is here. If price again came back on your unmitigated PY, which is here and decisional, you can also sell. But we need single candle order block confirmation, price give reaction, and third candle mitigation here. You can now sell here. Put the stop loss just above it. So in a both scenario, these trade are valid. If you are still struggling to identifying this setup and these things to understand it, you can study a trading plan where I mention every point very clearly, right? Which is very important for you. So this is a valid. Okay, it doesn't matter that market going upside or not or downside. It doesn't matter. And just of it, everything is mitigated here. You can see everything is mitigated here. There is no unlimited PY. Everything is mitigated here. So you can take risk here for the sell. Okay, when market broke the structure main low here, this one, then you have to put the stop loss on a break-even point. So let's see. Okay, we'll get mitigate this one and push downside. Okay, perfect. Here, three entries are valid here and market hit our target point. So this is our entry. Main thing, you have to identify PY, pay when we can buy and sell. Shock, where is your trading plan? I posted on a, I think video course section, or let me check first in a, I posted in a video course section. Trading plan. Yes, sir. Correct. On a Discord. Bottom of the video course. Yes, sir. Chalk, taken out the inducement, tap here and sell here. 3 PDF file. Yes, sir. Thank you. So everything is clear till now, everyone. Okay, thank you. XAUSD, sir, I will backtest in upcoming week. Okay, because I'm doing one pair in a week because everyone trade in a different category. That's why. Where is your IDM? IDM here. I mentioned this one. Okay, so now again shift here in a 1 hour time frame, and this process will be continue. And now structure still here. Where is our lower low? This point, because inducement taken out, lower low confirm here, but right now just taking out the low. So we need a candle closer to confirm a valid break of structure, because market structure is a change here. So this break of structure is a not valid. Okay. So at the current price action, there is no confirmation here. You have to wait for it to confirm candle closure, right? So let's see and what happening here. Then we can understand more better. Also to confirm higher low. To higher low, confirm when market close below it. So right now, just grab the liquidity at the current, yes, sir, this point, market close below it. So this point become our valid break of structure. And now we can take risk here for the sell. So where is our inducement and when of you are looking here for sell at the current price action? Multiple time frame analysis. Yes, sir, correct. Let's see and wait for it. Okay, a little bit faster. This one is the market pushing downside, right? And this is an internal move here, and you have to wait for it to taken out the inducement. Then we can enter here. So let's see. First, broken this low, okay, and now taken out the inducement, okay. So where is inducement? No idea. Correct. IDM still, but this is a minor IDM, so we need a strong, clear confirmation for the entry. So you have to wait for it. Would you take risk for buy? Sir, a lot of unmitigated shadow here, and you are willing to buy here. You can take, but this problem is here. If you are willing to buy at this point, just sweep the liquidity here, unmitigated shadow. But this is a low probability buy side of here, as we know, right? So you have to wait for a high probability zone for the buy and sell. Right now, you can see so many on like a PY here, sorry, inducement here, and now here, and again shift at this point. Correct, exactly. So basically, we can take entry after taking out this one. So you have to wait for it to at least take out the inducement. Let's see what happening here. No, sir. This is a not an inducement happening here. This is a single leg move happening here. Okay. So always you have to wait for it to take out the inducement, then we can enter. Yes, sir. Okay. Now you can take a risk after taking out the inducement. Okay, but let's see what happening here. Full loss here. Where? This point broke this low and now create inducement at this point. So basically, when market taken out the inducement, our lower low will be confirmed here. If market taken out this one, and if we can sell our weight. So let's see what happening here. Okay, perfect. This one broke this low, and inducement also a safety at this point, and now we can sell here. So where is our unmitigated order block, unmitigated PY? In this case, you can see everything is mitigated here. There is no unmitigated PY order block. So where is our unmitigated PY or order block, order flow, or anything, right? Which point you are looking? So this point become our lower lows, and this is a lower high. Where is your PY? Let's zoom this part here, because now you can find a valid PY right here at this one, correct? So basically, this is the only PY when we can take a risk for the entry, right? And how we can take in this kind of move. Sir, this is a single leg move here. There is no inducement taken out, so we can't take a risk in this case. But if you are willing to take a risk in this case, because this is a 1 hour time frame. But when you see in this case, same scenario in a 15 minute, then you will see so many possible entries here. Let me show you exactly, because it's depend, because in every time frame you can't get entry like 1 hour, 4 hour, every time frame is a different. Okay, this is a 15-minute time frame. In a 15-minute time frame, so many possible entries here. You can see taken out the inducement, single candle order block entry here, again push downside. You can again take entry here after taking out the inducement, single candle order block entry, right? So these are possible entries here based on 15-minute time frame, because have a uh, every time frame have a own like you can say specialty. Okay, so in this case only this PY here, and you can short term buy here till to extreme PY mutation, like pullback taken out, you can buy like this when PY tap on extreme, and then you can sell, right? So let's see what happening here. Candle color changing. Okay, I tried so many times a different color, but people love it. Some people. Okay, so let's see. Price almost reach on your extreme. Okay, so in this case, how you can deal in the situation? How entry take in this case? So this is a you can take entry here when market taken out the inducement I mentioned recently. In this case, if market taken out the inducement, then up we can take entry. Like this was our pullback here, like this one. If market take those pullback, then we can enter here, right? But this is a very sharp move. That's why we are not able to take enter here. And this is a 1 hour time frame. When you switch in a 15-minute time frame, then you will see so many entries possible in a day, right? Okay. Now chalk here, sorry, inducement taken out, because price is still not a tap on your extreme PY. So market just are taken out the chalk. So after chalk, price tap on your extreme. This one. Okay. But remember, this extreme is almost broken, right? And you can take entry here for the buy, right? But remember, this is extreme of failed here. Failed means just broken. That's why. Okay. So in case market can be failed this one, but this is a low probability, or you can say decisional or buy here. This is a single candle order block. We need additional confirmation. Order flow not here. Order flow is here, which is already mitigated by this move, right? So this is the order block. Yes, sir. If we can buy here for short term, and if you want a more refinement, then you can use this unmitigated shadow here for the buy till extreme PY mitigation, right? So let's see what happening here. Um, okay, let's see what happening here. Okay, so at the current price section, what happening here and what are we can expect in this case? Look at this one. If you are looking here, what is this? Order flow. Order flow is mitigated here. Okay, and order block part of the order flow mitigate here, give reaction and failed. Sorry, give reaction and push downside. Again, we are willing to buy here. And again, what happening here? You can sell also. If market sweep this one, this is a inducement also, act like a inducement. Why? Because price tap on extreme order flow. But if price close of it, then you don't need to sell here. Why? Because we have a refinement order block here. Market can be hit your unmitigated order block here. If price terminal close of it, then you have to wait for it to mitigate this one and switch in a lower time frame and then sell here, right? But when price tap on order flow or order block, push downside, break the first high, this is act like a inducement, taken out, and then we can enter here. So basically market taken out this one, and if market mitigate this one, what is this? This is our single candle order block. What is this? This one right here. This candle mitigate this one, and you can sell here. You have to think in a both side of probability. Don't try to think in a buy side. Buy side is not much high probability because main trend is a bearish. That's why. Okay. If main trend is a bearish, then you have to sell is a much high probability. Stop loss you can put just above it. But if you are willing to put just above it, which is a very larger, but this one also you can use, right? And you can take 5 minute a chalk confirmation here for additional confirmation. Okay, inducement taken out, and after taking out the inducement, where is our PY order block? Yes, sir. Perfect. Also, if it has not reached that point, then how you can deal? Simply, in this case, you can simply dial, taken out the inducement, tap on this PY mitigation, but fail, and then sell. Exactly. People are very clever. Interesting. Tap here, give reaction, and let's see, failed. So failed. Now, when and where are you looking here for sell? After taking out the inducement. So where is inducement and when, which point you are looking for sell? You are looking for sell after taking out the inducement, but market not taking out the inducement. Market just a push downside. But if market push upside and taken out the inducement, then definitely we can sell our bid, right? Perfect. Again, switch in a 1 hour time frame. This is a main target here. Is a again taken. I'm sorry. taking out this one. Taking out this inducement. If there is any unmitigated order block, no, everything is mitigated here, right? Just avoid everything is mitigated. So this is a zero liquidity, you can say. Taken out the liquidity, single candle order block mitigation, sell again, create single candle, and you can sell here, right? BE. Yes, sir. This trade almost close on a break-even point, right? This is our you can say engine liquidity point, because just of it you have to identify unmitigated order block, right? Everything is mitigated here. Okay, this one, this point mitigated by this one, and you have to move this one. Yeah, give reaction, tap here, and you can sell simply based on single candle order block, like previous high sweep here, mitigation here, but there's no reaction at this point. Again sweep here, single candle mitigation, and sell here. And let's see, main low broken at this point, and after chalk and inducement you can sell here. Okay, this process will be continue. If market taken out the inducement, then we can enter after inducement taken out. Same principle happen here, taken out the inducement, you can sell here till this low, right? So everything is clear till now. This is a 1 hour time frame actually structure. So it's take a lot of time to create a structure like this. You can't get entry every day when you're using 1 hour and 5 minute entry, right? It's take a few days to create a structure. But when you are using a 15-minute time frame, then you can get more idea. But when you backtest same zone here to here, then you will see so many possible entries here for the uh, buy and sell, right? This is our 15-minute time frame, right? When market taken out the 15-minute high, a low inducement, then you can take entries also here. This is a 15-minute time frame. In a 15-minute time frame, you will see so many possible entries here. Every time you will get so many entries here also. Inducement, single candle order block mitigation, tap here, push downside. Take this low as a target. Tap here, same thing happening here. Sen, can you open your USD chart? I have a question. So you can post your question in a chat section. I will definitely respond to you. Okay, sir. So everything is happening here, and buy and sell based on 15-minute time frame, 1 hour time frame. It's up to you that which time frame is suitable for you. Main thing is a like principle, right? Same principle applicable in a 15-minute time frame and 1 hour time frame and a 4 hour time frame everywhere. When you use more higher time frame, then you will get few entries. But because higher time frame, it's take a time to create structure, right? That's why we need. If you are a day trader, then you can use 50 minute and 1 minute for the entry in a Bitcoin also. But so many spread in a Bitcoin, so maybe it's not suitable for everyone. I use 4 hour as a PY and then my 15 restriction and 1 minute 20. It's a correct way to, yes, sir, it's a correct, but it's maybe a little bit difficulty because 4 hour and 1 minute time frame is a quite a very long journey, right? And so many refinement. You can say super refinement. 4 hours on refine into 1 minute time frame to take decision. You are taking decision 4 hours on in a 1 minute time frame. So this can be a little bit hard for you. When you use 15-minute time frame, then you will get so many entries. I message you on Telegram, please. Yes, sir. I will check your Telegram. Don't worry. Okay, let's start some quick question answer session. After this one, I will finish this team. I realize this is how we analyze it. It's a very detailed. Yes, sir. So in a daily chart, both side liquidity taken out, then what is the view for the trend? Sir, if market collect both sides of liquidity, then you have to take decision based on current market momentum, like structure based. If main structure is a bearish and bullish, then you have to take a decision based on it. Sir, when we have a chilled candle, what is child candle? In a mother candle, getting a sweep in a form SUV, it is something if we took as a. So to identify any PY, to take any PY, market uh, create a possible a valid pullback, proper imbalance. Then we can use them. Inside bar, we can't use as a order block or PY. When we take a wick and whole candle in a case of SUV, SUV like whole candle we can use every time, but shadow we use as a refinement. And second thing, if candle is a mitigated, shadow is unmitigated, in that case also we can use only shadow, not entire candle. Sometimes what happen, market mitigate the candle but not mitigate your shadow. In that case you can use only shadow. What is difference between SCOB and single candle mitigation? Both are similar. Will you close all trade every day in a higher time frames of 15? Yes, sir. Most of the trade close on a same day. What is IFC candle? IFC candle I mentioned in an ebook. So you can study again them, which candle taken out the liquidity, which candle taken out the main high liquidity. Okay, means sweep in the candle. Yes, sir. How many percent you will take a risk in a day? Sir, 0.5% risk is enough on your account. How to identify a COP, single control? Sir, please watch chapter number 13, 14, 15, and till 17. I mention SCOB in a very detail. Also, you can watch the past 3 webinar, then you will get answer and more better details. Sub-broker did a scam with this. Yes, can, but you have to use registered and legit a broker. Which broker is the best for Indian? There are so many brokers. Sorry, it's up to you that which broker you are using. So many local broker also available because in Indian and Pakistan, these countries forex market is not legal. So, but so many international brokers are available which allow to trade, deposit, and withdrawal based on cryptocurrency. So you can use them. Don't try to deposit and withdrawal in your bank account because bank can be freeze your bank account, because it's not permissible to trade in a forex market. If we sweep a previous candle, okay, sweep, but the candle is the next candle is inside a protected high or low, it's a single valid. Yes, sir. If market main candle taken out the liquidity, okay, and next second candle still create between the high or low, okay, so main candle is still valid as a SCOB. सर मार्केट इंटरनल स्ट्रक्चर इंटरनल से बना है तो प्रीवियस हाई लो स्वीप होगा तो वो चौक हो जाएगा। नहीं सर, वो चौक नहीं होगा, वो जस्ट लिक्विडिटी स्वैप होगा। आप उसमें ट्रेड ले सकते हो अगर एक्सट्रीम पीवाई मिटिगेशन तक नहीं पहुंची है तो। See you in the next weekend. Enjoy the weekend. You too. Please make Hindi videos section. Yes, sir. I will make Hindi videos also. When we market sweep EOB, then how we can do it? EOB means I not understand. Can you explain? Extreme order block. Okay, extreme order block. Okay. When market sweep as EOB, then what API can do? Then your perspective will be changed. I mentioned in a two scenario here. Then when extreme order block is a sweep, right? In that case, you have to think in a both side of probability because market can be turned, right? So you have to prepare in a both side of probability. When market are taken out the EOB extreme order block, then very like highly chances market can be reversed. Why in the first trade in the beginning of the webinar, you move stop loss to be the first on the first pullback, because market create first pullback and then create a new higher high in an internal structure. Then you have to put the stop loss just below the first pullback for the safer side, because if those pullback is broken, that means structure will be changed. That's why. In a 1 minute time frame, we enter on order flow or wait for indication of order block. Sorry, you can use both, like order flow and order block. If you are using order block, then like if you are using order block, it then your stop loss will be smaller and reward is a very higher. But when you are using order flow, right, then our risk reward will be decreased, but very highly chances that your entry will be executed. Okay, because order block is not tap every time. If I analyze the 1 hour chart, I will check the daily chart. Yes, you can use daily chart as a reference, mark the previous high and low, previous day high or low as a just reference. Okay, thank you. All right, everyone. Thank you so much, everyone, to attend this beautiful webinar. And if you late join, you can definitely watch later. So we have a sweep a high, and we have a sweep of a high and SUV in a protected. No M15 PY should be considered. That's a single. Not understand your question. What are you saying? You can text me on a Telegram, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you so much, everyone. How many trades are taken? 2-3 trades in a week is enough, because I believe in a trade in a quality trade. Because when you're looking for quality trade, then you leave uh, just normal trades like low probability setups. You leave them. You have to focus on a high quality trade. When you have a chance, like you have to trade 3-4 trades in a week, then you find only quality trade, not every trade. You don't try to jump in every trade. When you have a no specific rule to trade, then you trade multiple trades, like 5 trades in a day, 4 trades in a day, even 10 trades, even more than 10 trades a day, because we have a not a specific rule. So simply try to less trade. Less is a more. When you have a chance, only 2 chance in a day. Okay, let's understand like this. When you have a chance, only 2 in a day, then you will find a only high value trade, right? When you lose 2 trade continue, then leave them. Even third trade can be more higher, that you don't need to take them, because you have a specific rule to trade. Okay, same thing, like if you are trading 1 trade in a day, then you will get high quality trade. If there is not setup fit as per your plan, then you don't try to buy or sell anything. You have to leave them. Just leave them and wait for next day. According to the trading plan, I have not found any trade in this week. What I can do? Uh, I, I can say, if an entire week you have not get any trading uh, trade as per our plan, then you have to again read the trading plan and study the chart, what happened with the price and how you can uh, take them opportunity. Okay, sir. Thank you so much, everyone. I hope you enjoy this one.